Hi, welcome to 4Seller channel. This video will guide you how to connect your Shopify store with 4Seller. Now 4Seller support you authorize your Shopify store to publish listings, handle orders, and manage products inventory. In 4Seller, there are two entrants to integrate with Shopify. Entrance 1. On the home page, you can click the Shopify shop icon to enter the store authorization page. Entrance 2. Click Shop Manage in Settings, and then click the Shopify shop icon to enter the store authorization page. On the page that pops up of connecting your Shopify account, click the Shopify App Store link on the page to go to Shopify's App Store page. Through entering the Shopify App Store page, you can click Open to log into your Shopify account. If you have already logged into your Shopify account, you can ignore this step. Through the store authorization is successful, it will go to the store authorization success page of 4Seller. Through authorization, you can log in 4Seller to manage your store. You can delete or edit custom name. You can also check the shop status. Active means the store has been authorized to 4Seller successfully. If the status become inactive later, please try to reconnect. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.